So you've been hearing us talk about the SAEE. Yolanda, you better tell us, what is the SAEE?
It's the Southern African Association for Energy Efficiency. Our aim for the past 10 years has been to create an awareness of energy efficiency to all industries in the Southern African region. We've done that by making information available to companies and also by creating opportunities for people in the know on the topic of energy efficiency to, so to speak, tell others about it and share what they have learned in their experiences when it comes to making better use of the energy available to make better choices.
So how do you actually get this message out? What is the SAE's focus?
Well, every year we host an annual convention and exhibition called Energy Efficiency at Work. This year it's on the 16th and 17th of November. It's at Empress Palace in Gauteng. We also present seminars which we take to various cities where there are companies that rely heavily on energy to operate and grow their businesses, so that we can help them understand how to be more energy efficient. To grow the necessary skills in the energy efficiency industry, we've been involved with the Energy Training Foundation. They're responsible for making sure that we have locally trained but internationally certified energy managers who can assist our local companies with the energy challenges that they face.
Lisa, let's just talk to you quickly. What is this Energy Efficiency at Work convention really all about?
Gareth, the convention draws all the different aspects of energy efficiency together. It lets people network and find out more about the latest technologies and solutions that have worked for them. Last year we have 73 high-profile industry speakers. There is also an exhibition that runs at the same time, where all the companies that have a service or product to offer have great opportunities to grow their businesses.
Now, this convention being held every year, what kind of aspects are you looking to address at this year's convention?
The International Energy Management ISO standard, which was approved last month, spurs a lot of questions with people, which is why it will be a major component at the convention. What makes it even more significant is that when you comply with the ISO standard, you can now start gearing yourself up to claim tax on the energy savings you have. How these things work and what companies have to do will all be discussed and explained. There will also be international speakers that will share with us what has worked and not worked in their countries with regard to the energy sustainability plans. A lot of info for industrial and manufacturing companies, as well as mines, various topics on renewables, even solar roof tiles that you can now install instead of panels, wind energy, examples and case studies of various energy efficiency projects.
So it's going to be a good conference. Some international speakers coming down. Have we got Thomas coming down again?
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
Look forward to meeting him. Sounds like a character. Well, there we go. That's the big convention coming up at the end of the year. Just to remind you of the 3 different ways that you can get in touch with the Green Hour. Go to the website, www.greenhour.saee.org.za. Go check it out on Facebook, The Green Hour Kingfisher FM, or go to Twitter page Green Hour SA. We'll put some updates there. Make sure you can listen through to these interviews and the links. And that brings us to the end of our first Green Hour. Ladies, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Gary.
Thanks, Gary.
And we look forward to next week. We're going to tell you a little bit more about where our energy comes from.